Hello and welcome to the magnificent, vibrant city of Singapore. In conjunction with celebrating 50 years of independence, for the very first time, the island city-state hosts the 8th Asean Para Games, a biannual multi-sport event for athletes with a disability. 3,000 athletes and officials are in the city for the 7-day multi-sport event. Most of the competition venues are at the Singapore Sports Hub and Kelang areas, whilst the parasailing events are held in the iconic Marina Bay. Parasailing is open to athletes with any type of physical impairment, and the classification system is based on 4 factors: stability, hand function, mobility and vision. Athletes at these games will compete in 3 events: the Hansa 2.3 women, the Hansa 2.3 men and the double-handed Hansa 303 wide open. Marina Bay is the epitome of stadium racing, with its dramatic backdrop just a stone's throw from the action. The unique shifty conditions will challenge the sailors. In the Hansa 2.3 women's class, local hero Yap Zhan Yin had a clean start, opening her account with 2 bullets. But Cherry Samonti Pippin from the Philippines is close behind and well within touching distance of the leader. The Hansa 2.3 men's class is highly competitive, with all the contenders looking to take the prestigious crown. After 2 races, the leaderboard is tight, with just 3 points separating first to third. Alson Carlos Tumbagahan from the Philippines has the lead, with Malaysia's Almustakim bin Martin and Azmi bin Ani hot on his heels. The Hansa 303 wide open class, Malaysia and Singapore are equal on points after the opening day, so still all to play for, with 2 more days racing still to come.
Marina Bay is so very exciting because so many people they show me, so it's very exciting. So I'm proud to compete for Philippines.
Sailing is one of 15 sports at the 8th ASEAN Para Games. The event serves as a platform for enhancing inclusiveness, encouraging people to embrace sports, as well as promoting ASEAN solidarity. The ASEAN Para Games also combines numerous onshore activities with a busy social programme alongside the racing. Sailor or non-sailor, there's plenty of shoreside festivities, allowing spectators and visitors to soak up the fun holiday atmosphere.